बहुत सारे लोग अपना कैरियर स्टार्ट करना चाहते हैं साइबर सिक्योरिटी में, तो वो एथिकल हैकिंग सीखना चाहते हैं, लेकिन उन्हें ये नहीं पता है कि एथिकल हैकिंग सीखने से पहले हमें क्या सीखना चाहिए। तो आज का हमारा टॉपिक यही है कि एथिकल हैकिंग सीखने से पहले व्हाट शुड यू लर्न। ये मैंने व्हाट शुड आई लर्न इसलिए रखा है बिकॉज लॉट्स ऑफ द पीपल आर आस्किंग द क्वेश्चंस व्हाट शुड आई लर्न बिफोर द एथिकल हैकिंग। एथिकल हैकिंग से पहले हमें क्या सीखना चाहिए। तो मैं इस चीज़ों में आपको बताऊंगा कि एथिकल हैकिंग से पहले क्या आपको सीखना चाहिए एंड व्हाट आर द टॉपिक्स, not the topics, what are the courses you should complete the first, then what are the resources where you can learn these things. Okay, so let's start. Myself Vijay Kumar, and I have the experience more than 14 years in a cyber security industry. So let's start. आज का today's the agenda is what should you learn before the hacking, and what are the sources are required to getting the knowledge in a cyber security, because there is a two things, one is a certification, another is a knowledge. So certification or certified is not more important than knowledgeified. If you have the enough knowledge, you will get or job in a cybersecurity industry or any industry IT, no matter you are certified or not. So what the knowledge is required, we will discuss later on. We will discuss in your budget. If you have 500 600 rupees, you can learn these things. If you are not able to pay these money too, so there is a resources, free resources also available where you can learn the things which is required for the ethical hacking. Okay, so let's move on the next. So now the question is what should you learn before start the ethical hacking. Hacking की जो base है, the base of the hacking is the networking and the Linux and the server. Server will always add the advantage no matter it is the Windows server or the Linux server. So in a networking, at least you should know how the travel is, how the packet is traveling, and how to deploy the different type of the cyber security solutions, network security solution which going to be protect your network from any type of the attacks. Okay, and how the attacks are performed, like ARP attack, DSCP snooping attack, DNS poisoning attack, spoofing attack, MAC spoofing, IP spoofing, man in the middle attack, sniffing attack. All these are the attacks is happened. But hacking say or before the attack you will learn about the ARP. Example is ARP poisoning. Until you don't know the ARP table, how the ARP table is created and how does it work, then you will not able to understand about the ARP poisoning attack. Similar, if you don't know about the DNS server, DNS cache, DNS server, how DNS server is work, and so you will not able to understand about the DNS cache poisoning, DNS attack, DNS spoofing, and all these things. So you will have to learn about the networking. Keep in mind and clear your mind before or without learning about the networking you cannot get into or the survive into the cybersecurity industry. So it is very important, you will have to learn about the networking basics. If you learn about the configuration, minimum the L2 layer configuration means how to deploy or the how to configure the switch to protect the network. So another thing is Linux, because Linux is an open source and most of the hackers are love to use the Linux because doing the work over the terminal will you give some impressive. So must you know about the all the about the Linux. Why? Because most of the industry which are protecting their cyber assets must have the Linux server running in their organization. Most of them. I am not saying the 100%, but most of them. Another is using the Windows server. So if you know about the Linux server, Linux minimum the system administrator you know, because if you will use any type of the exploit and you will get the access of the system of any system, then it is necessary to you learn about how to exploit privilege escalation, how to run the CV or how to run the exploits on the Linux system, and how to start any service so you can make the connection and download the files from there. So all these things are required, 100% required. If you have the server knowledge, no matter it is the Linux or it is the Windows, if you have the server knowledge, then it will 100% add the advantage. 100% it will add advantage. So if you will learn about the Linux or Windows server, so you will become the perfect. Okay, so first later on you can start the cybersecurity. Now question is this, of course you want to learn about the networking, Linux, but where to get? There is a two certification is a most popular in the industry. For the basics is a CompTIA network plus another is a CCNA. These certification also will be helpful when you will start your career in a cybersecurity industry. That is fine. Okay, so but if you will start your career in a networking or the network engineer, these certification will helpful you. Now the question is, this certification is very costly. So don't go for the certification if you want to VA in cybersecurity gone, or you want to start your career in a cybersecurity. You will go only for the knowledge. Knowledge is available online free of cost. You will go there. You will go there and download, learn, read the books, and watch the YouTube videos. Lots of the YouTube videos are available for the network plus as well as the CCNA plus. If you want to I am also providing the CompTIA network plus 5 modules are free. Of course, on my app, you can download from the given the link in a description box. Just go there, download and install. All the information you will get there. Okay. Another is a Linux. For the next one is Linux, from where you will learn the Linux. Linux will the similar like the networking. There is a two main certification in industry. One is a Linux plus, CompTIA Linux plus, another is a RSCSA. CompTIA Linux plus is a good where you will learn all the related to the system administration. And of course, I am also providing the free CompTIA Linux plus 5 modules where you will learn and understand, and all the complete modules will you will get a very cheap rate. So but all these things you will get on my app. So you will download the Kumar training app from the given the link on the below. First you will download, you need to register, and all the information you will get here. Support is available. If you need any type of the support, you can contact me directly. And one more thing I am telling you, once you will complete the networking and the Linux, then you will start your career or start to learning about the cybersecurity. So most popular certification is a CEH, Certified Ethical Hacker, and this nowadays it is the version 12. So we are going to organize a new batch or starting the new batch from the upcoming the 15th of the date. So the mode will be the live, all the class will be live and will be taken by me, and the platform is an app or the web application also available where you will take your live classes. Assignments you will get, tasks you will get through the. For more detail, you can download the app. For about the price, about the starting dates of the batch, and all these things information you will get from the app. So just download app and install it. Also you will get some free webinars there on the app, and some free question papers, and some free also interview questions you will get there. Okay. Now the question is this, as I have committed already I will provide you some free resources. These resources are very helpful. You can go for them. Kumar Network Training on my website. On my channel, I am providing some courses or some videos related to the networking as well. Here is another is Sikandar Sheikh. You will go on his channel and you will get lots of the networking videos are free. And CVT Nuggets also providing the free video tutorials over the networking as well as a server administrator, Windows server. So you will get the information. Here is another channel, the complete video which is going to be provide the knowledge about the networking or the CCNA in Hindi. And there is some resources for the Linux are available free of cost, but you need to learn them. My website is cyberpratibha.com. You go on there, you will get lots of the information lots of the content are there related to the Linux explained very well. Okay, another is a kurtdepot.net. This website is providing a good information and related to the RHEL 6, RHEL 7 and RHEL 8, as well as now they are publishing the content over the RHEL 9. Okay, linuxes.com, you just go on this website, search whatever you want to learn, search and you will get lots of the information. Okay, so I hope you will like my videos. If you like, just share with your friends and don't forget to download the app now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next